Heyo guys, I'm back. Sorry for abandoning you all. Anyways, I will genuinely crush out if I see one more comment on a video saying, Jesus loves you all. Or if you are reading this, Jesus loves you. Please shut the fuck up. My bad, sorry for that. But genuinely they need to stop posting comments like that. If the video is related to Christianity or Jesus, I wouldn't have a problem. But it had to be on a video which is far, miles related to it. They need to know that not all people are Christian. Anyways, posting another video soon to make it up to you all. Ruby Rants, out.